Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG brand dishwasher. This is latest model in UAE. This machine having problem after selecting any option. After starting machine not running well. That's mean machine not going to the next step. Only the blinking, the time display and any other things are this blinking only. Machine not running well. I have to repair the machine now, and I will show you how to repair this machine, and we will go to the next step. Already given power to the machine. This machine is inverter direct drive. You can see here smart ThinQ and tag on. Also here smart diagnosed. All the options are available, so we can download cycle also available. If you need any option, you can download also through online. Now this machine having problem, I will show you. Now I'm selecting here delegate option. Now I will start the machine. See, you can see it is blinking the timing display. That mean is actually its symbol is door not closing properly. This is the symbol. Now we have to check what is the problem exactly. That means we have to check door lock first of all. If it is any problem with the door lock, the micro switch having problem or not. Otherwise we have to check harness assemble, and we will go to the next step and we will check what is the exactly problem. Now we have to remove the back of two screws. After that we can take it out top cover. Like that we can take it out. Now here we can check here. You can see here door locking. Here having two micro switch. Now we have to take it out, and we will remove these two connectors, and we will check continuity. It's showing it is should be this normally closed and normally open micro switch. Now we will do one thing, we will disconnect this two line. After that we can check. Remove this connector here like that. We can remove. Careful, we have to do. It will get break. Now this is one is normally closed and normally open. Now we will check. Now I can check here without removing this micro switch are working or not. Now you can see here it is normally closed. Now I'm going to open the door. Yes, it is closing. Also opening. Yes, it is okay. That mean this micro switch is okay. No any problem. Now we will check the next one. Now you can see other one. You can see here it is not working actually. It is something problem with this one, this switch. That's why it's not running well. Machine is showing door switch, door lock, opening. That's why it's showing. Now I'm going to remove this one and we will check. Here we have to remove like that. We are very careful. We have to do this lock after getting break. It's very difficult to fix again. Because of that we have to careful. We have to remove. Now we can see here this one, this switch already inside. It's something tension gone already. Spring also maybe broke. Because of that only is not working. This one you can see here, this point 1 2 3, the one is common, 2 normally close, also 3 normally open. The same, if same thing we have to change. We can remove also, we can try to repair also, but it is not big job for us. We can remove also here, and we will remove like that. We will check what is the exactly problem. Yes, my dear, this is the problem. You can see here this spring, this tension already gone here. That's why it's not working properly. This is the problem. We can repair also, we can refix also, but I have to check it whether available the same. Normally, I told you before, it is normally yes, 2.2 it is normally closed, point 3 it is normally open. Same, if I find the same micro switch, I can fix here and we will check. Yes, my dear, I having the same micro switch here, the same one. You can see here. We will check first it is working or not. You can see here. Yes, it is working. No any issue we can fix for this machine. Now I have to check it is as same it should be. The point 2 it is normally closed. This one also point 2 normally closed. Point 3 it is normally open. That's mean I can fix this micro switch for the dishwasher, and I will fix and I will check. And now I'm going to fix this one. It should be this way, and I will fix. Be careful, we have to do actually this one after the mounting. This one it will get break. Careful, we have to do. Now it's okay. Now I will fix I will give the connector also. I will fix here connector. Now I already given power connection. Now I will go for the checking again. Now I'm selecting here delegate. Now as same before, its lights are blinking until after pressing also, before after closing door, after pressing also start pause button, lights are blinking. Now after pressing this light, it should off. Also these two lights it should blink, but time display it should stop. Now we will start the machine. Now the time is this permanently it's occurring here, this 2. Now machine it should work actually if it is okay, this switch. Now this one is showing here salt and ring side. It's blinking because this machine at the moment it's salt container and this one ring side already empty. If you are using 3-in-1 tablet all together, that's mean salt, ring side and detergent is all together. That's mean 3-in-1 tablet. If you are using, no need to fill salt and ring side. This is special information for you. No need to waste unnecessary money. 3-in-1 tablet, it is available in the market. Now machine will run. Before actually the problem is not showing any error message also. It's after some blinking. After that within few minutes it's getting end. It is getting top down. The closing machine itself getting off. Now you can hear the noise, water take into the machine. Now you can see here it is already water already inside. Now machine will start. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.